Take the needle, find a square, a cross point, place the needle through. Be careful not to hit your finger on the other side. Once the needle is through, you pick a fiber, taking the fiber end, placing it in the needle, push it through the needle. On this side, pull the fiber through, taut with the other fibers. Placing a fiber in the needle, you want to spread the fibers out, use a comb, hold them down, use a comb to keep them from tangling up. Then they're spread out. Then we can take the fibers closest to the ones that you're placing in already. We'll pull a fiber out. We're going to place it inside the needle like this and pull it out from the other side, keeping these pulled tight like this, and just leave them lay there. Next time, find another point, cross on the grid, place the needle in, and repeat the process. It's nice to put a weight on the back of the bundle so you can pull it taut and the fibers don't get all tangled up. Put the next one in, pull the needle through, pull the fiber through, and keep them taut, and go to the next one. Glue has dried on the back, and what I can do at this point is I can start cutting these fibers across here because they're glued into the back, and I take my cuticle clippers, they're right to the surface, and I can clip each one of these right at the surface. As I go along, I'm clipping all of the glued fibers in the surface. Do that.